Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to legally change your LLC business address without disrupting your operations or accidentally falling out of compliance with the government. Whether you are moving out of your home office into a commercial space, switching to a private virtual address, or just changing locations within your state, you cannot simply update your address on your website and call it a day. The state government, the IRS, and your bank all require official, formal notification. If you do not update your records correctly, critical legal notices or tax documents can get lost in the mail, which can lead to administrative dissolution or massive financial penalties. Today, we are breaking down the exact sequence to update your location across all platforms smoothly. The absolute first phase of this process happens directly with your state's Secretary of State office. Since your LLC was formed by filing official articles of organization, you cannot just log in and edit your profile text casually. Most states require you to file a specific formal document called an amendment to the Articles of Organization or a dedicated change of address form. To do this, head straight to your state's official business filing portal, look up your specific LLC entity number, and select the address change option. You will need to input both your new principal office address, which is the physical location where your business actually operates, and your new mailing address, if it happens to be different. Keep in mind that states typically charge a small processing fee for this filing, which usually ranges anywhere from $20 to $50, and it takes about 2 to 5 business days to be officially approved. Once the state approves your amendment, you must immediately transition to Phase 2, which is updating your records with the Internal Revenue Service. The IRS tracks your business via your employer identification number, and they do not automatically talk to your state government. To update your location with the federal government, you need to use an official document called IRS Form 8822B, which is explicitly titled Change of Address or Responsible Party Business. You'll fill out your old address, your shiny new address, and your 9-digit EIN. Once completed, you must sign it and mail the hard copy directly to the specific IRS address listed in the form's instructions. There is zero fee for this IRS filing, but it is an absolute requirement for clean business tax records. Finally, Phase 3 involves updating your financial infrastructure and operational licenses. Take your approved state amendment document straight to your business bank account manager. Banks are legally required to maintain accurate physical addresses for fraud prevention, so they'll need to update your checking accounts and business debit cards immediately. After the bank is updated, make sure to change your location on any local city or county business licenses, your online payment processors like Stripe or PayPal, and your insurance policies. Update your state, notify the IRS, sync your bank, and your business is officially secure in its brand new home. Subscribe for more.